This here is the Luna Smart Ring, and just like any other smart ring, it will gather and track all your data, but this has something special. The app that comes with this has something called Life OS, which is basically an AI fitness coach using your health fitness data to actually personalize and give you accurate information and advice for you, which is unreal. And other than that, I mean, the ring is really nice as well. Stay tuned, we're going to check it out. Right, so once you purchase your ring, you will get this, the Luna ring size kit. Really nice little kit, really well presented as well. Little sliding drawer, nice, like it. It's a very luxury feel to it. So it varies from size 6 to size 15. So you've got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You want to basically try this out. So this is kind of like a plastic fake copy of what the actual ring will look like, the thickness and the feel of it, not the weight of it though. So it's basically to try and get a size of your finger. So you ideally want to put it on your index finger. And you can just literally just pick out the ring that suits you the most. You can see you've got 3 little bumps over here. Those bumps there at the bottom of your finger, towards near your palm, and then you can slide it in like so. It's easy as that. You want to make sure you can actually move it. You want to make sure there's no too much gap. You should be able to twist it, but not very easily. And that is a good fit. So once you've found your ring size, you can submit your order and wait for your actual ring to come. Then comes the moment of truth. Here is the actual Luna ring. So this is the lovely box that it comes in, nice, small and compact. We've got Luna ring written on top. We've got a few little icons of its main selling points: activity tracking, health monitoring, AI health coach, fertility tracking, stress management and sleep tracking. Got a nice picture of the ring as well, and it's really nice iconic design that it's got over there. Of course, it is a smart ring. On the back over here, we see a little bit more few features on the actual product. So no monthly subscription. It has a charging case that has 30 days of battery, which is absolutely amazing. It is fighter jet grade titanium build, 50 meters water resistance, compatible with Apple Health and Google Fit, and it's got a hyperallergenic inner lining. So if you've got allergies with certain materials, you don't need to worry when using this ring. I really like the feature that it comes with a charging case. I think that's absolutely amazing. Most rings don't, they just come with a dock. Whereas if you have a charging case, you can actually take it on a holiday with you and you can just keep charging your ring without worrying about taking the whole charger, which is nice. So first we're introduced with the ring case as well, and then we got this little pouch at the top where we have our user manual, which is a really nice pull open user manual, very well described. Again, quite nice quality paper as well, actually, quite good. A USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, which is really nice. Put that to the side. Let's have a look at this. Love the design here, it's really cool. It's like another rainbowy type effect. Pull out the actual case. That is pretty much it with the box, so let's have a look at the actual case now. You can slide this along. And here we have a nice like vinyl disc design on the top, which is pretty cool. We've got Luna written over here with an LED indicator there as well. Underneath we've got a nice rubber grip, so you can put it on a surface like a marble floor. It won't slide easily, so you won't fall on the floor and break, which is nice to see. We got here, nice wireless charging unit. Awesome, there we go. And let's have a look at the actual ring. There we go, look at that. I really like the way it lights up. So this is the gold colour ring, and it is absolutely beautiful. We've got Luna ring written on top over there, and like a mirror style effect, which looks very nice. Really like the ring lights that went around there. That was awesome. Look at that. That is well nice. And you pull it off charge, and it turns off. That's really nice. There we go. Here we have the actual ring, so we can just slide off this cover. There we go. Look at that. Here is the actual ring. And I really do like this design. It's quite unique, and it just gives it a bit of an extra touch as well, and also kind of helps you remember that that's the top of it, and that these bumpy bits at the bottom are at the bottom of the ring. You can see over here all the chips inside. Really, really nicely well made. The build quality is very nice, and it's actually quite lightweight. It's not too heavy, which is really nice as well. You always want your ring to be quite lightweight and not too heavy. So it's good that they designed it this way. So here is the actual ring. The build quality is absolutely amazing. Really nice gloss finish as well. Looks really good. I mean, it's super lightweight, so you don't even realize it's there, which is one of the key points of it as well. And I like the bump design because you don't even notice and feel it when you're using it. The bumps, like, you start to get used to it. At first, you feel it and you think, okay, that's a bit weird, but you do get used to it and you forget. And there we go, the green's flashing off for your heart rate sensor. So I'm going to go through the app now. So this is pretty much the Ring. This is the Ring unit, and this tracks everything you need to track. Then we'll go through the app, and I'm going to show you what the app shows us and the sort of data that we're tracking off of it. But before we go on to the app, let's talk a little bit more about the charging case. So this is a really good charging case. It's USB Type-C at the bottom, of course, and it charges your Ring just like AirPods and, you know, EarPods and earbuds or whatever you call it, whatever you use. You get a charging case with it, so it's really nice. The Ring comes with this, especially for traveling, or even for women who want to put their Ring in their purse. They just put it in there, put this in their purse and take it on the go, which is really nice. Especially for me, it would be especially on holiday. I hate the fact that I would have to take a whole charging dock with me and all the cables and a plug with me. I mean, if I can just take this, that makes life a hell of a lot easier, which is really nice that they've designed it for a way it can be charged with a case. And it's also designed in a certain way, so it only goes on one certain way. The build quality of the case is nice. The hinge is really good. It's got a nice firm feel to it. It's magnetic, so it doesn't fall off. The hinge feels great, feels sturdy. Yeah, it feels like a very good quality material used in this. So I really like this case. This is a very, very good USP. So all you need to do is download the Luna app, and the app will go through the whole process of pairing up your Ring to your device, and then it will start tracking. It's easy as that. So it will check for firmware updates as well, so you can click on your Ring like so, and you can see the actual charging case battery percentage, which is 80%. The Ring currently is 92. You can do Find My Ring, About My Device, device settings as well, and you can also see if there's any firmware updates for the actual Ring or through the app and update it if needed. So these are some of the few information that we can get from here as well. So there's quite a lot of information that the Ring gathers. So we've got readiness, average HRV, average RHR as well, so it gathers a lot of data. It also gathers my sleep data as well, so the Ring can sense how well you're sleeping, and it will give you a rating. So for this day, it rated me 79. It even calculates how many hours and minutes of sleep, so it's 5 hours 29 minutes, and average HRV as well, which is really good. And then throughout the day, on that day, it goes through how many active calories I've burned, how many steps I've done, which is really nice. And the best feature is that it all syncs straight with my Apple Health as well. And if you have Google phones as well, it syncs with the Google Fitness app too, which is really, really useful. It also goes through any stress levels and tells you if you are running a little bit stressed, your heart rates throughout the day, and you can also log your workouts as well, which is really nice. You can look more in depth into it as well, so if you click on the bottom categories such as sleep, you can look way more in as well. And Luna has something called Life OS, which gives you like AI advice as well, so it's like your personal trainer, which is really nice, all on your phone, really handy. You can compare different sort of data that you had on different days or your weekends. You can ask it for recommendations, like what time I should go to bed for, analyze the sleep for last night, and Life OS will analyze all this data and look into it and tell you information on it, which is really cool. You can also upload scans and any other information on the AI, and Life OS will read all through it. You can use it hands-free as well, which is really nice. Don't need to type or tap. And it's very, very cool. So it's got a voice AI as well. It's a very nice feature. So as I said, you can look deep into your sleep as well. So if my required sleep is 7 hours 55 and I only got 5 hours 29, so that was a bad night of sleep. And it tells you my REM sleep, my deep sleep, how efficient it was, all my health monitors for this, my temperature, SpO2, RHR, respiratory, HRV. It goes through every sort of data, which is really, really nice. Shows me how much my REM sleep was, my light sleep, my deep sleep, how much time I was awake throughout my whole sleep period. So it's very, very good at analyzing this data, and it's much more better and effective than wearing your watch or having to not have your phone on you constantly, because obviously when you go to sleep, your phone's going to get put away. So normally when the phone app registers sleep, it can't really give you too much data. It just knows when you went to sleep because you put your phone down. Whereas the Ring compared to watches as well, which can get a lot of false information. The ring's actually on your finger and just monitoring you very, very well, which is really good. Whereas the watch, because it's on your wrist and your wrist probably moves a lot more, it could probably get a lot more false data. So with this is really good. My readiness score as well, really, really good. Gives my resting heart rate, my skin temperature throughout the day, sleep scores, activity scores, resting heart rate, skin temperatures. Yeah, so much information as well on this as well. So it's just constantly gathering information. Really, really good features. Really easy to use. The app is super simple. It even tells me the amount of steps and the kilometers that I've traveled as well as total calories and active calories from actually doing an activity as well, not just general day-to-day walking around. And then it goes into really in-depth information about my activity as well, which is nice. And of course, if I did any workouts, I can add that all in there. So the app is very easy and very simple to use. You can edit the home screen, you can download the data, and you can sync all this with your Apple Health, which is really nice. Of course, if you are a female user of the product, then you can also set up a cycle tracker as well, and the ring will track your cycles, and it will actually try and predict when it will come next, which is really, really cool features. So the app, really nice, really easy, and the best feature has to be the Life OS AI. I think it's very cool that you can have basically a PT on your phone, and it knows all your data about your health as well, so it can give you the right and correct advice, which is really nice. So guys, that is the Luna Ring. If you are interested in purchasing it, a link to buy will be down below in the description. If I've got any coupon codes, I'll put that down below as well. I'm going to have to say this is a really good ring. It's really lightweight, really nice and easy to use. The app is super simple. The Life OS feature is unreal, really cool feature. I'm going to have to give this a 9 out of 10. This is a solid device. And for the price, compared to other smart rings out there, it is quite well priced as well. There are some really good smart rings out there, and this is definitely up there with one of them. This is a very good product. So if you're interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down below in the description. As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And if I've got any coupon codes, I'll put that down below. And as always, thanks for watching.